I'll do it again properly without tricking it out. Just keep it rolling. That's got a dip in it, that side, Dave. It's got a little dip at the beginning on that side.
You go first. One, two together.
Oh, Lord.
That just proves how dangerous it can be.
Oh my god, here we go. Oh, this is going to be funny. We have a broken arm coming up.
That's a new one.
So see if you can go backwards. Jump on it backwards.
No,